Hello, today I'm going to walk you through how to register online and show you the different functions of the borrower's portal. The first thing you will need to do is to go to the website at www.uasconnect.com. This presentation will discuss the following concepts using the UAS Connect borrower portal: procedure in user account registration, updating and adding account information, procedure in adding payment method, processing a payment, and procedures in using other features of the system. At the end of the presentation, the trainees would be able to access the borrower's portal using their assigned sample account and would be able to do hands-on exercise of the various processes within the UAS Connect borrower portal. To start the registration, click the Register button on the home page. On the sign up page, complete all the required fields with asterisk. Once finished, tick the checkbox to accept the privacy policy and terms and conditions, then hit the sign up button. After completing the sign up page, you will receive a validation token email. Click the Confirm Your Account button and you'll be directed to the welcome page of the portal. On this section, the borrower will be asked to validate the information they put into the system, such as cell phone and email address. Click Validate to continue. On this page, the borrower has to choose whether they agree or disagree with the TCPA agreement. Choose I agree with the statements on this page if you agree that the client and all of its related corporate entities, agents, servicers, debt collectors, independent contractors, assigns, and successors may text or call you through the use of any dialing equipment, including an automatic telephone dialing system, an interactive voice recognition system, and/or artificial or pre-recorded voice or message system. Or choose I do not agree with the statement on this page and click Submit. Next, the borrower has to choose their preferred contact method. Because UAS will occasionally need to contact them regarding various changes and/or activities to their account. Certain types of outreach, like reminding them about a scheduled payment that will soon be charged, can be performed through a number of ways. If possible, UAS will attempt to contact the borrower using the preferred contact method they will select below. If they want to receive notifications electronically or via mail, then hit Submit. Once successfully registered the account, the borrower will be directed to the homepage of the portal. On this page, they will see some of their loan information such as total original amount, total current balance, loan ID number that starts with 36, and other features of the system. When a borrower moves from one place to another, change his or her number, or switch to a new email address, they may update their contact information by going to the top right section of the home page where their username is indicated and choose Contact Information. On this page, they have the option to edit or delete such information or even add new contact by clicking the Add Contact button on the right lower section of the page. Choose the preferred contact type and save. For some borrowers, they may want to add an authorized user to make payments or inquire information about their loan on their behalf. To add one, go to the top right section of the home page where their username is indicated. Choose Authorized Users and click the Add Authorized User button below. To complete the process, fill out the required fields and choose whether an authorized user can log into the portal, can discuss the loan, or can make payments only. Then hit Save.